Welcome to this introductory video for Raeesa Speech Lab Pro. We will guide you through the features and capabilities of the platform to help you get the most out of your speech lab experience. Raeesa Speech Lab Pro combines dedicated USB hardware with specialized software to transform teacher and student computers into a fully connected speech lab. It enables a wide range of activities like sharing media, AI-driven speech tools, and automated attendance, all while maintaining functionality over a local network. This system supports several roles: teachers, who manage the dashboard, students, who use tablets for exercises, and administrators, who oversee system maintenance. There is also a remote control option, allowing teachers to manage the classroom while moving freely around the room. To help you navigate this video, keep in mind that feature overviews are followed by step-by-step instructions. Look for screen tags to identify if a step applies to the teacher, student, or administrator. And note that steps marked as advanced mode require that setting to be enabled. Getting started is straightforward. Install the app on all devices, plug the Raeesa device into the teacher's computer to unlock the lab, and connect. Once initially set up via the internet, the system operates fully offline, with students automatically reconnecting to the teacher's computer. To begin, connect your Raeesa device and follow the prompts in the app to open the interface in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, you will see your seat grid, microphone levels, and the teacher menu, providing you with full control over the lesson. For more complex tasks, toggle Advanced Mode on in the top right corner. This reveals additional features such as randomizing seats, lesson controls, and advanced administration tools, which we will explore further in this video. To configure a seat, an administrator should navigate to the Settings menu. Enter the required settings code, select the appropriate device name for that specific seat, and save your changes. The system will remember these settings for future sessions. For students, simply open the app and click the Connect to Teacher's Computer button. The system will automatically detect the teacher, though you can also manually input the teacher's IP address if needed. Running a live lesson is seamless. You can talk to individual students for two-way audio calls, broadcast to the entire class, or mute the audio when necessary. Students can also signal for participation by raising their hands, which you can clear globally. To speak with a student, click their seat button on your grid. It will turn green when the connection is live. You can monitor microphone levels on both ends and switch to other students or broadcast to the entire class with a single click. In advanced mode, you have additional tools for participation management. Use the Randomize button to spotlight a specific student for a response, or Reset to return the seat grid to its standard view. You can also lower hands for all students simultaneously. During a lesson, the student app provides clear status indicators. Students can use the Raise Hand button to get your attention, and the interface will display Speak Now when the teacher has opened their microphone for a conversation. Advanced live tools provide deeper interaction. These include the ability to show camera views, share screens with audio in both directions, and designate an active class for specific exercises or attendance tracking. Finally, to use camera and screen sharing, ensure you are in advanced mode. Select a student's seat to access these controls, which allow you to view the student's camera, share screens, and easily stop the activity when finished. To get started with your lesson, you first need to pick your active class. On the Class and Exercises tab, simply use the Class drop-down menu to select the desired group. This ensures the correct student list is pushed to their devices for exercises and attendance. Raeesa Speech Lab Pro features several powerful tools in advanced mode. These include a media player that syncs content to students, a speaking practice tool for pronunciation, an AI conversation assistant, and a dedicated voice recorder for capturing audio. These 4 tools are located in the bottom bar tabs. Each has an Enable for Students switch, allowing you to share the tool with their devices. For the multimedia and multilingual auto-evaluation tools, you can also use Sync with Students to mirror your own view directly onto their screens. The conversational AI tool is a great resource for practice. After enabling it for students, simply click Talk to Raeesa AI to begin speaking. The assistant replies aloud, and you can interrupt or end the session using the Stop AI from Talking or New Conversation buttons. For pronunciation practice, use the Multilingual Auto Evaluation tab. Set your text, choose a voice, and have students listen and speak. The app scores their performance based on matched words. You can easily navigate between sentences using the arrow buttons. The multimedia player allows you to manage local files or YouTube playlists. You can play, pause, and cast content to a projector. Enabling this for students syncs the playback, and talking to a student automatically mutes their individual audio so you can instruct them one-on-one. The voice recorder is simple to use. Just press record to start capturing audio, with options to pause, resume, or stop as needed. You can review and play back the recordings directly in the interface and download them for your records. When managing exercises and grading, remember that a teacher account is required. You can manage your classes by school year and add or remove students as needed. Administrators can control whether students are permitted to sign up for accounts themselves. To sign in, navigate to the Class and Exercises tab while in Advanced mode and click Sign In. After entering your credentials, you can manage your account profile, including updating your name or password, and remember to always sign out before leaving the terminal. You can organize your students by creating classes in the onboarding menu. Once a class is created, simply assign students from the unassigned users list to that specific class, making it easy to manage your student groups throughout the academic year. If self-service sign-up is enabled, students can create their own accounts by selecting Sign Up in the onboarding menu. Please note that accounts not assigned to a class within 3 days will be automatically removed, so ensure students are added promptly. Building exercises is flexible. You can create various item types, including audio and text-based repeat after me tasks, true-false questions, and multiple-choice quizzes. Some items are graded automatically, while open-ended questions are reviewed manually by the teacher. To create a new exercise, go to the Manage Exercises section. Provide a name and set the date for the exercise, then save it. Once established, you can begin adding individual items to build out your curriculum content. In the Manage Exercise Items screen, select your exercise and click Add Item. You can then choose from several formats like YouTube videos, text-to-speech tasks, or quizzes. Use the footer options to set the publish status and due date for your students. Finally, for students to complete their work, they must sign in and navigate to the Due Exercise section. Their answers are saved automatically as they work, and once they click Submit, their responses are finalized and flagged if submitted after the due date. In advanced mode, you can manage student exercises in grading. Students work through exercises on their devices while teachers review submissions. Quiz-style items grade automatically, while open-ended or speaking tasks require teacher review. Teachers can edit or remove grades as needed, and students can monitor their own progress. To grade an item-based exercise, navigate to Class and Exercises. Select your group, then choose Grade Exercise. Pick the specific exercise and student to begin. Auto-checked items will display their status, while you can manually verify and mark open-ended answers. You can also apply late deductions before finalizing and saving the grade. For exercises without specific items, you can assign a direct grade. Simply click the caret next to the Signed In Student Seat button, select Grade Student, enter the score between 60 and 100, and save. You can also view all class grades in a matrix format, or export them to Excel. Students can track their own progress by visiting the View Grades section, where they can filter by class. They can also review their attendance history under the Attendances menu to stay up to date with their records. Attendance is tracked by class and date. Teachers can enroll student faces for automated scanning or manually mark attendance. Students can also check themselves in using a face scan once their profile is enrolled, and both parties can review these records at any time. To enable face scan attendance, the teacher must first enroll each student's face. Select your class and navigate to Onboarding, then Enroll Faces. Find the student, click Enroll, and follow the prompts to capture a clear photo when the face detection border turns green. To take attendance, go to Attendances and Take Attendance for your class. You can either use auto-scan for students to check in via the camera or mark them present or absent manually. Always click Save to finalize the records. Students checking themselves in simply go to the Take Attendance menu, face the camera until it displays Face Recognized, and click Save. If you encounter any issues, please ask your teacher to verify your face enrollment. The remote control feature allows you to manage the classroom while moving around the room. By scanning a QR code on the teacher screen with your phone, you can mirror the seat grid and perform key tasks like broadcasting and toggling seats. To set up remote control, open the Remote Control tab on your desktop. Use your phone to scan the QR code or copy the provided link into your phone's browser. Once connected, your phone acts as a mobile dashboard for classroom management. Administration settings allow for 2 levels of access: Admin for managing accounts and the kiosk, and Super Admin for full database backups. You can also customize your security settings and media retention periods to fit your lab's needs. To manage system settings, use the menu to view or update your 8-character settings code. Under Manage Accounts, you can add specific users, toggle self-sign-up permissions for student devices, and set how long media files are stored before auto-deletion. Super admins have the ability to export and import the lab database. Use Export Database to download a backup of your data, or Import Database to replace your existing records with a previously saved file. A few final tips. Raeesa Speech Lab Pro is designed to work offline after your initial setup. Ensure your device stays connected during class to maintain the active session. If an update is available, you will see a Download Latest Version button. Thank you for watching this guide to Raeesa Speech Lab Pro. We hope this video helps you effectively utilize the platform in your classroom. For further support, please visit our website or contact our sales team.